In this walkthrough, I'm using Microsoft Copilot as a thinking partner, not an auto planner. It helps me analyze standards, draft options, and organize ideas, while instructional decisions stay with the teacher. I'll model this using a grade 10 California world history example focused on the causes of World War I. I'm starting by unpacking the California History Social Science Standard. At this stage, I'm looking across the full 10.3 strand to clarify key concepts, historical thinking skills, and academic vocabulary. I'm not writing objectives yet. This step keeps the planning grounded in what students are expected to know and do. Next, I'm drafting multiple objective options for a 2 to 3 lesson arc. I'm intentionally asking for different rigor levels so I can choose what fits my students. These are options, not commitments. Copilot is helping with language, but I decide which objective becomes the instructional target. Now I'm generating activity ideas for a multi-day arc on the causes of World War I. I'm asking for a mix of discussion, collaboration, primary sources, and map-based analysis. These are ideas to adapt, not a scripted lesson. I'm looking for activities that support historical thinking and not just content coverage. For formative checks, I anchored to one on-level objective. Even though I drafted multiple objectives earlier, alignment requires a single target. Each check is designed to take 5 minutes or less and includes a clear look for. This keeps evidence of learning consistent across the lesson arc. This is where Copilot becomes especially useful. I'm pasting in my real planning notes, links, videos, primary sources, reminders, and half-formed ideas. They're intentionally messy. Copilot organizes what I already wrote into a clear arc without adding new content. The thinking stays mine. The structure becomes clearer. Now I'm adding differentiation supports. These focus on access, language, and task design, not lowering expectations. I'm planning scaffolds and extensions ahead of time so all students can engage with the same core historical thinking. Before assembling the final arc, I generate a review checklist. This is a quality control step for accuracy, representation, accessibility, and alignment. It's an intentional pause point. If something can't be verified here, that signals the need for revision. Now I'm assembling the full lesson arc using only the components I selected. At this point, I'm intentionally narrowing focus to California History Social Science Standard 10.3.1 so the causes of World War I receive sufficient depth. Copilot is synthesizing and organizing all the information planned so far, but is not choosing for me. Notice how access supports and bias checks are woven into the lessons instead of added at the end. The result is a teacher-facing lesson arc with clear objectives, aligned activities, formative checks, and built-in review points. This same workflow can be adapted for any subject or grade level, using Copilot as a thinking partner while keeping professional judgment at the center.